Good day, everyone, and welcome again to Elite Finds. For this episode, we will be talking about The Sound of the Birds at Noon by Dalia Ravikovich, a poem. For the summary, the poem immediately unsettles the quiet of midday by describing the sound of singing birds not as pleasant music but as a sudden disruptive shout. This intense acoustic experience is personified as a piercing active force that seems to violate the silence and the natural order of the moment. The speaker projects a sense of underlying emotional distress onto the seemingly tranquil scene, implying the bird's sound as an utterance of desperate urgency or concealed violence. Ultimately, the work uses the concrete image of nature to articulate a pervasive, unamiable psychological anxiety. For the analyses, a psychoanalytic reading views the bird's shout as a powerful symbol of the speaker's own repressed trauma or eternal cry breaking through the protective silence of consciousness. New criticism highlights the profound tension achieved through the linguistic juxtaposition of peaceful motifs with words of violence and agitation. Historical criticism often places these poems within the context of Israeli society, where the continuous reality of conflict translates into an ever-present, almost subconscious emotional vulnerability even in moments of calm. That is the summary and analysis of The Sound of the Birds at Noon by Dalia Ravikovich. Thank you for listening and see you again on the next episode of Lead Finds.